learnt part 1, part 2, part 3 in trigonometry. Now we are learning part 4 trigonometry. So the values of 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees are the trigonometric ratios. So I will tell one table. దీన్ని ఫండమెంటల్గా నేను నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో చెప్తాను. అందాక గుర్తుంచుకునేటట్టుగా కొంచెం ఈజీగా చెప్పడానికి నేను ఏర్పాటు చేస్తున్నాను. ఇవి వాల్యూస్ బాగా గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ టు డూ ఈజీ. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ trigonometric ratios of 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 values. This is the table. Theta 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. So first step 1, you will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let step 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step 2, 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Step 2, you will write denominator same 4. Step 3, 0 by anything is equal to 0. 0 by anything is equal to 0. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, the 1 by 2. 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. 3 by 4, 4 plus 1, 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Step 3, 0 by anything is equal to 0, 1 by 4, 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2, 3 by 4 not plus 3 by 4, 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Next step 4, you will write square root 0, root of 1 by 4, root of 1 by 2, square root of 3 by 4, square root of 1. You will write all numbers to write square root. Step 5, root 0 is equal to 0. Root 1 by 4, root 1 is equal to 1. Root square root of 4 is equal to 2. Root 1 is equal to 1. Root 2, there is no exactly square root of 2. So root 2, there is no root 3 exactly. So root 3 by root 4 is equal to 2. Root 1 is equal to 1. Root 0, 0. Root 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Root of 1 by 2, root 1 is equal to 1. Root 2, root 2. Root 3, root 4 is equal to 2. Root 1 is equal to 1. The values of step 5 is belongs to sin theta. So sin 0 is equal to 0, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, sin 90 is equal to 1. This is the values of sin theta. Sin 0 degrees 0, sin 30 degrees 1 by 2, sin 45 degrees 1 by root 2, sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2, sin 90 degrees 1. So sin theta values, cos theta values, reverse the values. 1 cos 0 is equal to 1, reverse root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0, 90 value this side, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0, reverse cos theta values. It is as well as ఒక విధంగా చెప్పాలంటే బండగా గుర్తుంచుకోండి చెప్తున్నా రివర్స్. సో cos 0 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 90 0. I will write tan theta. So tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Do you know tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta? We learned in first part 1 in trigonometry. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So tan theta sin 0 by 1, 0 by n sin theta by cos theta. 0 by anything is equal to 0. So tan theta is equal to 0. Next 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Numerator and denominator. So denominator 2 crossed 1 by root 3. 2 crossed 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. By means root 2 crossed 1 by 1. Is it understand? Root 2. It is 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Root 2 cancelled. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So as well as root 3 by 2 by root 1 by 2. 2 cancelled. Root 3 by 1. So root 3 by 1 is equal to root 3. It is root 3. So 1 by 0 not defined. 1 by 0 infinitive. Anything by 0 is equal to infinitive. Not defined. నిర్వచింపబడదు. Not defined. Infinitive. Anything by 0 is equal to infinitive. So tan 0 is equal to 0. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Tan 90 is equal to infinity. This values reverse is cot theta. So reverse infinitive root 3 1 by root 3 0. So you will write tan cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. 1 by 0 infinitive. Root 3 by 1 by 2 root 3. So 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 cross 1. So 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 1 by root 3. 0 by anything is equal to 0. As well as cross the values. So cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Learn first trigonometry. 1 by sin theta. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is equal to anything by 0 is equal to infinity. Not defined. So infinity. Next 1 by 0 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2. So 2 by 1 is equal to 2. 1 by 1 by 2. 2. As well as 1 by 1 by root 2. So root 2 by 1. Root 2. So it is root 2. As well as 1 by root 3 by 2. 1 by root 3 by 2. So numerator and denominator upside, it's a reverse 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1. This value is reverse of secant theta. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, infinity, not defined. This is the table. First of you will understand first and remember. First you know sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta, sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45. You will remember first sin 30 1 by 2, cosecant 30 2, reverse, numerator denominator 1 by 2, 2 by 1, 2, as well as 1 by root 2, root 2 by 1, root 2, 2 by root 3, root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. So cos theta, cos 30 root 3 by 2, secant 30 2 by root 3. Cos 45 1 by root 2, secant 45 root 2 by 1 root 2. Cos 60 1 by 2, secant 60 2 by 1 2. As well as tan 30 1 by root 3, cot 30 root 3 by 1 root 3. Tan 45 1, cot 45 1. Tan 60 root 3 by 1 root 3. So 1 by root 3. Reverse. So you will remember sin 30 cos 60 equal, cos 30 sin 60 equal, tan 45 cot 45 equal, tan 30 cot 60 equal, tan 60 cot 30 equal. You will remember the values any time your teacher asks you will tell, not forget. Okay. Let us come to exercise 11.2. Evaluate the following: sin 45 plus cos 45. So sin 45 value, that easy, very easy. Sin 45 value 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 value 1 by root 2. Do you know sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2? So LCM is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, root 2 LCM. Root 2 in root 2 cross 1 time, 1 into 1 1. Root 2 cross 1 time, 1 into 1 1. So 1 plus 1 2 by root 2. So 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2. Am I right? 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2. So root 2 into root 2, root 4. Root 4 is equal to 2. So root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Root 2 crossed root 2. So this sum is root 2. So second, cos 45 by secant 30, cosecant 60 value. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Secant 30, you know cos 30 1 by root 3 by 2. So inverse secant 30 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 60 sin 60 root 3 by 2, cosecant 60 reverse 2 by root 3. 45, cos 45 1 by root 2, secant 30, 2 by root 3, cosecant 60, cosecant 60 2 by root 3. So values. Okay, next 1 by root 2 by this LCM is root 3. Root 3 one time crossed. So 1 2 is 2 plus root 3 one time crossed. 1 2 is 2. So 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2 4 by root 3. 1 by root 2. So this fraction is reverse root 3 by 4. The value is root 3 by 4 into root 2, 4 root 2. This is the answer. Third sum, sin 30 tan 45 minus cosecant 60. Cot 45 plus cos 60 minus secant 30. Do you know values? So, solution sin 30 1 by 2 plus tan 45 1 minus cosecant 60 2 by root 3 by cot 45 1 plus cos 60 1 by 2 minus secant 30 2 by root 3. So, do you know the values? Sin 30 of tan 45 1, cosecant 60 2 by root 3. Tan 45 1, cos 60 of secant 30 2 by root 3. So, just easy 1 plus of 1 and half minus 2 by root 3 by 1 plus of 1 and half minus 2 by root 3. Both are 1 and half minus 2 by root 3, 1 and half minus 2 by root 3. Cross equal. So, one answer. So, fourth sum, 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 sin square 60. 2 solution 2 tan 45 value 1 square 1 square plus cos 30 value root 3 by 2 square root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60 value root 3 by 2 whole square root 3 by 2 whole square. So it's easy. Plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. Trace press minus plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. 2 into 1 square 1, 2 into 1 2. Easy. Fifth sum, secant square 60 minus tan square 60 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Solution, the values of secant 60 value 2. So secant 60 value 2 square tan 30 value root 3 square root 3 whole square sin 30 value 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 value root 3 by 2 cos 30 value root 3 by 2 whole square. So 2 square 4 minus root 3 whole square square root 2 cancelled 3 by 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 by 4 plus root 3 whole square by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So root 3 into root 3 root 9 3 2 into 2 4 root 3 into root 3 3 by 4 2 into 2 3 by 4. So 4 minus 3 1. LCM is 4. Half 3 of 1. So LCM 4. Sorry, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Sorry, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 1. So LCM 4. 4 is 4 raised 1 plus 4 is 4 raised 1 time 3. So 1 by 4 by 4. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1 is the answer. Second sum. Choose the right option and justify your choice. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45. Here is options A sin 60, cos 60, tan 30, sin 30. Now solution is 2 into tan 30 value. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. 1 plus tan square 45. Tan 45 value 1 square. So 2 into 1 by 2 1 2 by root 3. So 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 square 1. So 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 2. So 2 crossed. Answer is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 belongs to value of tan 30. So 1 by root 3 value, tan 30 value 1 by root 3. So tan 30 value 1 by root 3. So the answer is C. This answer is C answer. Second sum, 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. Solution is 1 minus tan 45 value 1 square by 1 plus tan square 45 tan 45 1 square. So 1 minus 1 square means 1 by 1 plus 1 minus 1 0 by 2. 0 by anything is equal to 0. The answer is D. Next, third sum. Solution 2 into tan 30 value 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan square 30. 1 minus tan square 30 1 by root 3 whole square. So 2 into 1 by root 3 by, so 1 minus 1 square means 1 root 3 whole square 3 root 3 into root 3 3. So 2 1 are 2 by root 3 by LCM 3 3 1 are 3 minus 3 in 3 1 time crossed 1 1 are 1. So 2 by root 3 by 2 minus 1 2 by 3 2 by root 3 by 2 by 3. So 2 by root 3 into the fraction is upside inverse. So 3 by 2 crossed 3 by root 3. So 3 by root 3 means 3 is equal to, you may write root 3 into root 3. 3 is equal to root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Root 3 crossed. So answer is root 3. Root 3 belongs to, in this values law, root 3 is equal to tan 60 is equal to root 3. Root 3 belongs to value of tan 60. Now the answer is C.